Subscribe to OZiva TV and hit the bell icon for more updates on fitness, nutrition and wellness.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to OZiva TV YouTube channel. We are on our day 13 of this 14-day challenge. If you guys have just opened up this video for the first time, make sure you go back to the first video. Follow the workouts that we've been doing from day 1 right till day 13. We are super excited and so thrilled that you guys have been a part of this journey, and we have an exciting workout lined up for you once again. So the 4 exercises that we're going to be doing today are, the first exercise is 3 pulse jump squat or
the squat pulse.
the second exercise we're doing is a reverse lunge with a knee drive or
The reverse lunge static.
that's right. And the third exercise is squat to side kick, which is going to be pretty similar when she does it as well.
With the chair.
That's right. And the final exercise is your calf raise or the jumping calf raise that I'll be demonstrating. Alright, so we're going to be doing these 4 exercises for 30 seconds each. Rest for about 30 seconds between each exercise, and then finally rest for 60 seconds at the end of each round. Okay, we got this. Everyone ready? Let's get in position for our 3 pulse jump squat or the squat pulse. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So as you can see, all I'm doing is pulsing 3 times and then jumping. And whereas Kunakshi is only pulsing. So
my
find your
knees
fit.
are going east-west and I'm going down as low as I can.
Almost there, guys. Come on, don't stop. Last 5 seconds. Keep pushing. And we got in 3, 2, 1 and relax. Let's rest for 30 seconds. Then we start with the second exercise, reverse lunge with a knee drive.
Yeah.
Sweet. You guys can feel the blood flowing to your lower body. Nice one. Let's get ready for the next exercise. Reverse lunge in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Don't forget to drive if you can do it.
Take one foot back and use the back leg to come up. Try to go deep in that lunge as much as you can. Do not push yourself too much. Feel the burn on your hamstrings and your glutes. We're
Almost there, guys. Come on. And one more rep. Superb. Let's rest for about 30 seconds and then we start with the next exercise, which are your squat with
Kicks.
side leg kicks. Alright guys, let's get in position for the third exercise, squat with a side kick. Ready to go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And kick. So I'm doing a full range squat, but if it's coming on your knees, you can simply push. You can simply put a box behind you or a chair behind you and do it the way Kunakshi is showcasing right now.
And if you're tired, you can sit and get back to your side kicks.
Almost there, guys. Come on. One more rep. And superb. Let's rest for 30 seconds. And then final exercise, which is much simpler than the 3 exercises that you just did. Alright guys, in position for our calf raise. We start in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Keep your feet parallel. Try to reach your heels as high as you can. Lift them and land them softly.
Don't forget to engage your glutes to get a good contraction in your calf muscles. Land soft on your knees and then jump up, squeeze those calves, come back down. Keep pushing, guys, no stopping. We're almost there. Last 5 seconds. Come on. 3, 2,
and 1.
And relax. Amazing. That's the end of round 1. Let's rest for about 60 seconds. Then we start round 2, which is going to be much simpler because in the round 2, we're going to be doing the exercises for only 20 seconds. Alright guys, now that we have the first round out of the way, the second round is much easier. Like I said, it's going to be only 20 seconds of activity, but with the rest of only 15 seconds as well. So, while we reduce the activity period, we also reduce the rest period so that we can continue challenging ourselves. Everyone, let's get in position to get started with our second round. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and go with 3 pulse jump squat.
My legs are already wobbling.
But we don't give up yet. Right, Kunakshi?
Right.
We keep pushing until we are done with these exercises.
Tiny little pulses. Last one.
And relax. Let's rest for 15 seconds. Move on to the next exercise. Reverse lunge with a knee drive for 20 seconds after a 15-second pause. Okay guys, reverse lunge for 20 seconds. We start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Go back, drive the knee up. Switch, go back, drive the knee up. Or
go back and continuing with your back leg, come up. 3 more seconds to go.
And relax. Nice one guys, good job. Move on to the third exercise after a 15-second pause, which is your squat with side kicks. Okay guys, in position for your squat with side kicks and let's go. Pace yourself, do not get tired, do not stop during this exercise. Last 5 seconds, keep pushing, couple of more reps and nice one. That's the end of third exercise. We move on to the final exercise, which are your calf raises after 15 seconds. Alright guys, let's get in position for our calf raises in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds and that's it. Come on, keep pushing. Remember to squeeze those calf muscles, pump the blood inside your calves and slowly lower yourself down.
Keep your feet parallel and lift up and down. Remember, land softly. Even if you're jumping, land softly on your knees and heels.
Nice one guys, superb. Let's rest for 60 seconds and move on to the final round for today's exercises, which is going to be even easier for you because we're going to be doing it for only 15 seconds of each exercise. Okay guys, let's get in position. Final round of the penultimate day of our 14-day challenge. Let's begin with 3 pulse jump squat for 15 seconds only. Ready? In position. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Only 15 seconds. Come on guys, don't stop. Keep pushing yourself and I know you can do it. It's your mind, remember, that is going to give up, but not your body. So keep doing and keep pushing. I believe in you. Let's go.
Tiny little pulses.
And relax. 15 seconds down. That's it. 15 seconds of rest. We move on to the next exercise. Reverse lunge with knee drive for 15 seconds once again. Alright, position for reverse lunge and let's go. Only 15 seconds. Come on, push it. Try to get maximum reps out of this exercise. You got this. Easy. Last 5 seconds. And push it. One more rep. Amazing. Good job. Let's rest for 15 seconds. Second last exercise for the day. Squat to side kicks. Alright guys, position and let's go. Squat, side kick. Sit down, side kick. Squat down, side kick, and we're halfway there. Keep pushing. No stopping. Last 3 seconds. And relax. 15 seconds rest. Last exercise for the day. Okay guys, last set, best set, keep pushing and let's go. 15 seconds, that's it. Only 15 seconds. Remember to squeeze your calves on every rep. We're almost there. Last 5 seconds, come on, keep pushing, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, don't stop and relax. Good job, nice one. So proud of you guys, man. Like we are 13 days into our 14-day challenge. Give a big thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to the OZiva TV YouTube channel so that you never miss an update from us. And if you have any feedback of these 13 days so far, please let us know in the comments below.
Bye. See you guys tomorrow.